This is a Suzuki F6A, and I'm doing a bunch of work on the front. One of the things I need to do is get these cam gears off, and they are a big pain in the butt. To get them off, you have to use a cam holding tool to hold the cam in place while you undo the bolt. I've already broken one tool from Amazon and one tool from O'Reilly trying to get these off. That sucked. Thus, I made my own. It's 1/4-inch steel, laser cut and tapped for M10 by 1.5. Sencut Sen did all of this for me. I've already cracked off the intake cam. I'm about to do the exhaust. One of the issues is that it is difficult to hold the cam holder tool and the breaker bar while supplying sufficient force to crack that nut or that bolt loose. So I've gotten around that by using my strut tower braces. So this custom tool is designed to bolt to either the left or the right strut tower brace mounts, and then hold the tool in the correct place on the cam. And then we're done, just like that. And it only took a $40 custom tool. Okay, now that I have the cam gears off, we can take a look at the seals, and they are leaking. It's kind of hard to see, but they're wet. So they definitely need to be replaced for sure. So it's worthwhile taking the cam gears off. But I'm also going to have to pop off the cam carriers to replace the seals that are under those. So all this shit on the top of the motor needs to come off as well.